Prime Minister, remember, was campaigning in Karnataka and he addressed a rally in Bengaluru where he hit out of the water crisis in the IT city. Now, he said that that's been an issue that has been dominating for the last few months and that they've turned the tech city into a tanker city. He also said that the opposition has handed over Bengaluru to the water mafia. And he said that the opposition targets him only because they have no other issues to talk about. Now, the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has responded to the Prime Minister and questioned where the Prime Minister was during the floods and droughts in Karnataka. Listen into what the Prime Minister said.
एनडीए और इंडी अलायंस दोनों का प्रचार अभियान देख रहे हैं। कांग्रेस और इंडी अलायंस का इश्यू मोदी है, मोदी का परिवार है, मोदी पर लगाए जा रहे झूठे आरोप हैं। लेकिन मोदी का फोकस किस पर है? मोदी का फोकस 21st सेंचुरी के भारत का विकास है, भारत के नागरिकों की सुविधा और समृद्धि है, भारत की ग्लोबल इमेज है। आप ही मोदी का परिवार है। मेरा भारत मेरा परिवार है। कांग्रेस ने टेक सिटी को टैंकर सिटी में बदलकर उसे वाटर माफिया के हवाले कर दिया।
Now, after the Prime Minister's attack, the CM Siddaramaiah has posted on social media platform X saying the claims of working 24/7 for the people, yet where was he during the Karnataka floods and droughts? What's the real story behind the 24/7? And sounds like it's PR is what the CM has said. I have my colleague Pratibha joining us with more details. Pratibha, take us to the war of words now. In Karnataka, the Prime Minister was there. He hit out at the Congress over the water crisis. And Siddaramaiah, in fact, questioned him about the floods and the droughts that faced the state.
But this is not the first time that it has happened. Even when Prime Minister Modi had to visit Mysuru for the election campaign, initially the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, had pointed out as to where was he during floods and why did the centre not provide enough relief in the form of funds. This question has been posed by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah time and again, talking about what moral rights does PM Modi have to come into Karnataka and seek votes. But in the meantime, this is the time that Prime Minister Modi has given his answer to Siddaramaiah's question, pointing out at the corruption charges as well as the alleged water mafia that is on in Karnataka as well as Bengaluru. Recently, Bengaluru's water crisis did hit the spotlight, and this was one of the issues that have been taken up by Prime Minister Modi. And he did visit Bengaluru and started off his campaign with Bengaluru Central, which is touted to be one of the most prestigious seats, though it is a BJP bastion of sorts. And remember, the last time BJP did win 25 out of 28 seats in Karnataka, and the BJP this time around wants to leave no stone unturned by aligning with the JDS and ensuring that they would surpass that.
Right, Pratibha, stay on with us. We're tracking more news from Karnataka at this point.